Welcome to Reviewsinside TV. Today we're taking a close look at the BLACK+DECKER Dustbuster Handheld Vacuum 8-volt cordless model HNVC 20BC01. If you're the type of person who values quick cleanups and efficient tidying without the hassle of a full-sized vacuum, this compact handheld unit might just be what you've been looking for. We're about to break down everything you need to know, so let's dive into what this little vacuum offers and see how it stands up in real-world testing. This handheld vacuum is designed with simplicity and portability in mind, ideal for fast cleanups and tackling those everyday messes. Its 8-volt cordless design ensures freedom of movement, allowing you to clean without worrying about plugging in or being tethered to a cord. The dust bowl capacity is 13 ounces, plenty enough for quick cleanups, but something you'll need to empty after a few uses, depending on the mess. It's bagless, so you can see exactly when it's time to empty it out, which is a feature many appreciate for convenience. The vacuum also comes with a charging wall mount and base, making storage easy and ensuring that the vacuum is always ready to go when you need it. No more hunting for the charger or having to find a place to keep it. A Crevice tool is included to help you access tight spaces, like between cushions or along the edges of furniture. And there's a brush attachment for dusting and cleaning upholstery, adding to its versatility. All of this is packed into a lightweight, ergonomic design that makes it comfortable to use for extended periods. When it comes to performance, the Dustbuster does its job fairly well. The 8-volt battery provides adequate suction power for small jobs. Whether it's crumbs on the kitchen counter, dust on a shelf, or the occasional pet hair on the couch, this vacuum holds its own in daily cleanup scenarios. It's not going to replace your full-size vacuum for deep cleaning, but for light tasks, it works just fine. The real beauty here is its convenience. It's perfect for those small messes that would be a hassle to get out the larger vacuum for. One of the main benefits of this model is the fact that it's cordless, making it highly maneuverable. Whether you're cleaning your car, your kitchen, or a quick mess in the living room, there's no cord to trip over or limit your reach. The 8-volt battery provides enough runtime for these smaller jobs. Expect around 10 to 15 minutes of use on a full charge, which is typical for handhelds of this size. The charging base makes it simple to plug in and recharge between uses. But bear in mind that if you're planning to use it for an extended period, you'll need to recharge it in between. Using the Dustbuster on various surfaces shows it's well suited for quick cleanups. On hard floors, it picks up dust, dirt, and debris with ease. Carpets and rugs are a little more challenging, but it does manage to lift up surface dirt and pet hair. It's not designed to be a deep cleaning machine, so don't expect it to get every bit of embedded dirt in thick carpet. The Crevice tool really shines here though, helping you get into the edges and tight corners where dirt loves to hide. The brush attachment does a decent job on upholstery, but it's not a magic wand. It'll do the job, but it's not going to make your cushions look like new. In terms of ergonomics, the Dustbuster is light, weighing just under 2 pounds. It's easy to hold with one hand, and the design is comfortable for extended use. There's a slight downside though, in the noise department. While it's not excessively loud, it's louder than some might expect for a handheld vacuum of this size, so keep that in mind if you're in a quiet environment. Now let's talk about the pros and cons of this model. On the positive side, it's incredibly lightweight and portable. The Crevice tool and brush make it versatile, and the wall-mounted charging base ensures it's always ready when you need it. The translucent dust bowl is a great feature for knowing exactly when it needs emptying, and the price point is very reasonable for the performance it offers. However, it's not a deep cleaning powerhouse. It works best for light tasks, so if you're looking for something to tackle large messes, high-pile carpets, or heavy-duty pet hair removal, this might not be the right choice. Also, while the noise isn't overwhelming, it might be a bit more than some would prefer in a handheld vacuum. When it comes to value for money, this vacuum strikes a nice balance. For those who need something that's efficient for small messes, quick cleanups, or as a supplementary tool alongside a full-size vacuum, the BLACK+DECKER Dustbuster offers solid performance. It's a versatile, portable vacuum, and at its price point, it performs well for its intended purpose. Compared to other handhelds in this price range, it holds its own, but there are alternatives if you're looking for something with more power or specific features. Still, for the cost, it provides excellent value for homeowners, small apartments, or people who need a quick solution for spills or dust on hard surfaces. When comparing this to other handheld vacuums on the market, the BLACK+DECKER Dustbuster stands out for its design and portability. Competitors in the same price range, like the Dirt Devil Scorpion or the Shark Ultra Cyclone, offer similar suction power and runtime, but the BLACK+DECKER shines in its convenient wall mount charging base and the additional attachments. The Dirt Devil, for example, lacks a wall mount, and while the Shark offers good suction, it's bulkier and less maneuverable. Build quality is another area worth mentioning. The plastic feels solid enough, though it's not going to feel like the most premium material out there. It's built for practical, everyday use, and as long as it's handled carefully, it should last through many cleanups. Cleaning the dustbin and filters is easy, and the Crevice tool and brush are simple to maintain. You'll need to clean the brush roll regularly to avoid hair buildup, especially if you have pets or long hair, but that's standard for most handheld vacuums. As for customer support, BLACK+DECKER generally has a reputation for good service. If you run into any issues, it's worth reaching out to their support team for help. They tend to be responsive and helpful. So to wrap things up, this vacuum is ideal for people looking for a lightweight, easy-to-use handheld that can tackle small messes, dust, and light pet hair. It's not going to replace your full-size vacuum for deep cleaning, but for quick cleanups, it does its job well. It's especially useful for apartments, cars, or quick spot cleaning around the house. If you need a larger vacuum or something that can handle more than just light debris, you might want to consider other options. But for what it is, the BLACK+DECKER Dustbuster offers solid value for those who want a reliable, compact cleaning tool. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out the product link in the comments box below. If you have any questions or thoughts about this vacuum, feel free to drop them in the comments. Until next time, keep your space clean, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to stay updated with all the latest reviews from Reviewsinside TV. Goodbye till next time. May your floors always be spotless.